As a leader in Ontario's windows and doors industry, Windows and Doors Ontario built its reputation by providing high-quality standards from consultation to installation, and is proud to be a 100% Canadian company using local manufacturers for all of our products and services. Windows and Doors Ontario carries a complete line of high-quality, luxurious windows and doors, ensuring security all while bringing full natural light into your home. Our friendly and professional consultants work closely with you side by side to help bring your design and vision to life. We have the most qualified, fully licensed and insured local technicians to give you peace of mind and a flawless installation. Call or email us today for a free consultation. Windows and Doors Ontario, delivering top quality products and services to Canadians for over 20 years.